Michelle, your question, please. Michael, sorry. Michael Mann.
Mr. Davis, Anguilla is culturally and geographically tied to our neighboring islands, but still retains a special and political and economic relationship with Britain. Which of these relationships do you think is most valuable to Anguilla's future?
Thank you. Anguilla is a part of the Caribbean, and we need to integrate more with our CARICOM brothers and sisters. We believe that the future of Anguilla lies within the CARICOM region. There are many benefits that we can derive from being a member of CARICOM, and there are many benefits that we derive now by being associate members of CARICOM and the OECS. For example, the cost sharing in terms of medication and drugs by international organizations. That is one aspect. The whole aspect of the Eastern Caribbean Central Bank, where we share responsibility for monitoring the financial banks and institutions in the region. These are just two of the examples where we can benefit as a people and as a region. So I think CARICOM is the way forward.
Mr. Hughes, I will ask you the same question. Anguilla is culturally and geographically tied to our neighboring islands, but still retains a special political and economic relationship with Britain. Which of these relationships do you think is most valuable to Anguilla's future? You have 1 minute and 30 seconds.
This is probably the most critical question for us to answer, because Anguilla carries the same Anguillans carry the same passport as the Germans, the French, the Spanish, and 30 other member countries of the European Union. Anguilla is, in reality, engulfed in the European Union. The passport you carry says the European Union. So we are, for all intents and purposes, politically, constitutionally, and otherwise, tied to the European Union. At the same time, we have a very unique situation as being associate members of the Caribbean Community, CARICOM, and the Organization of Eastern Caribbean States. We are within the Eastern Caribbean Central Bank. We benefit from the Caribbean Development Bank. So our situation is unique, and some clarity has to be found.